Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at a weird one. Alright, this is the Rancco 2-line pen things. I know that the words in that sentence were not amazing, but what this is this is a 6-pack of 0.4mm pens, and it looked like from the pictures on Amazon that they had double tips, and you can get a 6-pack for 11 bucks. And if these things are cool, they're going to be awesome. If these things are terrible, they're going to be terrible. So there's a not insignificant chance I wasted $11, but maybe they're neat. All right, so packaging had a tough life, and we're going to throw that away. Alright, so these are the pens, and I think they're what I thought they were. So, 2 lines pen. Now, I'm gonna ignore any grammar issues there, and we're gonna try this thing out. Yep, see, there you go, look at the tip. Let me see. Can you see that better? It's got 2 tips on it. So 2.4mm tips. So let's see how this writes. Alright, these might be awesome and they might be terrible. So let's try this. Rancco. Alright. Let me I don't know if you could tell from the distance, but in like real life, not through the camera, that just looks blurry. Can y'all see the double lines there? It's kind of neat looking, but it does literally just look like it's blurred. Rancco double color pens. Oh, okay. I don't know if y'all could tell from the camera, but I swear to you, staring at this is like, I feel like I'm getting a headache just looking at these. They're neat, but man, it is one of those things that'll make you nuts. Oops, missed that one. Okay, well that's kind of cool. Alright, let's look at the other ones while we're at it. Let's try this one. So this one looks like an orange and blue. Double color pens. Alright. I think it's like almost making me cross-eyed to look at this. Okay, one thing I can tell you from writing with these, you kind of have to concentrate on getting it lined up where both of the tips are making contact at the same time. This one looks like orange and I guess I could look at the pens. This one is blue and pink maybe? This one is blue and purple. So this one is orange and black. Alright, let's try this. Wow. Color pens. It does literally look blurry to me. It's really weird. Like this, okay, of the 3 colors so far, the pink and blue, the middle one, is by far the blurriest. But they all look weird. I tell you what I'm kind of curious about. I feel like I should send a set of these to my mom and get her feedback and see what she thinks about them. I think they're the kind of thing that she would most likely hate, because they look blurry to me, and I just wrote these. So this one is black and red, I guess. So Rancco double color pens. Wow, these are all awful, but still neat. Okay, I don't know if this is one of those things you would want to. Is this a duplicate? Orange and blue. I don't know. We haven't done orange and blue yet. So, Rancco double color pins. Like, no joke, this is making me cross-eyed. It's like there. It actually kind of looks. This whole thing looks blurry to me. I think the double pin thing's just an interesting. All right, green and blue. This is the last one of the 6. So let's check this out. So line up. So it's both on paper. Rancco double color pins. That should be a C. Alright. These are interesting. And I'm going to put these up close so you can see them a little better. I'm looking at how it looks in the camera, and it doesn't look so awful in the camera. But boy, does it look rough in person. Man, maybe it's maybe the camera's like sort of cleaning this up a little bit. This one is in particular, it kind of looks like when you look at things through like the old 3D glasses almost. Like, I think if you had a pair of 3D glasses, this line right here would look awesome, because I think it would probably look like it popped off the screen or the page. Anyway, I don't know. I'll include a link in the description. The 6-pack of these was like $11, so they're interesting pins. And if you happen to be someone who collects pins, that might be a cool thing to have. Or if you just want something fun to play with. But I don't know. I am thankful that I never had a student take a test with one of these pins. That'd be a tough test to grade. Of course, I kind of want to take a test with one of these now. Anyway. If you've tried these, or if there are any other kind of cool, weird pins that y'all can think of, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.